Writing an RFP document is always challenging, and it operates in a very time bound manner. You don't get a lot of time to write the response document. So these are the 6 tips that are going to help you. But before that, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Number one is attention to details. The RFP document, every single word is useful to you. If you think that there are a lot of information that are given in the RFP for just for the sake of it, you are mistaken. All the content that is there in the RFP is only for you. So you need to read the document as many times as possible. Number two, understanding problem first. So we see that many times people go into solution first just by giving a glance on the RFP document. This is not right. You need to understand what is their problem. If they're releasing an RFP, that means that there is a driving factor behind it. There is a return on investment on that RFP. So you need to understand what are those driving factors and what are their problem areas, why they have released this RFP. That why is important. Number three, don't just consult, tell a story, which means that in your response document, even if you are giving a lot of useful information to them, a lot of details, but it's not going to be eye-catchy if you are not writing in the right format. This has to follow a layered based approach, and the information should flow in a very good sequence so that someone who is reading it, they should not be lost in between. Number four, don't follow lead, which means that in some RFP document we see that the project sponsor, they already provide you a part of the solution themselves. It is not mandatory that you follow them blindly. If you have a better solution, feel free to propose that solution. It is going to be your differentiator in the solution. Number five, create new content every time. This has immensely helped me. I don't generally copy my old content. I create a fresh content every time, and that gives me a lot of new perspective to the entire solutioning. Number six, make content customer focused, which means that you should not copy content from SAP website or any other area which is very generic in nature. The person who is reading the response document should feel comfortable about it. They should feel that it is written only for them, which means it should store all their ecosystem. It should have information on their source, target, their pain area, and everything. I hope you have liked my video and stay tuned for similar videos. Thank you for watching.